Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G73 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck. Following that, install this free app from Flare2 Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!